following is a demonstration of the Garda Vetting Database. The database is password protected. An applicant can be entered in directly as an individual, or they can be entered in to the organisation that they are associated with. For the purpose of this demonstration, we have recorded a number of fictitious football clubs. I'm now going to select Ravens Football Club and click on the Go to Applicant screen. All applicants related to this club are listed. The top part of this screen allows for data input in a similar format to the original form. The date in which the form was signed is recorded and the date it was received, and the position that this applicant is applying for. We also indicate whether parental consent is required if the applicant is under 18. The total list of actions related to this application are recorded, so that in the future, if there is a query as to why the process is taking so long, we can indicate exactly the steps that were involved on this application. So for example, this form was received on the 1st of May. It was sent to the Garda Vetting unit on the 5th. It was returned with errors from the Garda Vetting unit on the 14th, and it was resent to the unit on the 17th of May. When the vetting has been carried out, we can record any comments from the Garda Vetting unit. If there is a conviction, we can record that, the type of conviction, and if the conviction is pending. If originally, when the application was received, there were errors on the form, for example, the date of birth wasn't a valid date and the form had not been signed, we can quickly and easily generate a letter to the individual or to the organisation to indicate the problems on the form. So at the top of my screen here, I'm selecting Paul. I'm asking the system to send out a letter indicating errors on the application form, which the letters here are automatically displayed, and I then click on this button. It generates the letter automatically. There's space at the top of this letter for the letterhead of the organisation using this database. The name and address of the organisation that Paul is involved in is displayed here automatically, and it indicates that we're sending this letter in relation to Paul Quinn. Down at the bottom of the screen, it indicates the problems that we had with the form. So this letter can be quickly and easily sent out to the organisation concerned.